#1 trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post joke, man a pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. I hope everybody's doing well today, you know what I mean? Whole heap of things are going, whole heap of rainfall, you see what I say? Whole heap of crazy things are going, you see me I say? When you just stay safe on the road, and I hope everybody's safe. Now, I have to just talk to the Shenseea them right away, because, you know, Shenseea post this morning, she posts on her story, and she also posts like on her regular feed, and she has expressed how much she miss performing. She asked where should she go to perform next. So me I say, when I know the situation, I know the performance thing is at the bare minimum of just one and few places. And even Shenseea, with that being said, me never say Shenseea got too much places. So Shenseea sure back some are all show them from like Europe, you know what I mean? We are talking about France, we are talking about some from even like Israel and them kind of place there, you know? We are talking about some other places, I say UK and all about. So I'm going to show you some of the clips them where Shenseea post, and then we'll discuss it a little bit. Here you go. Yeah, people, so when you see how lit Shenseea show them used to be. If you ever been to a Shenseea show, obviously you know. So if you ever go to a Shenseea show, put in the comment section. Now I want to ask another question. Honestly, with the given situation right now, would you go to a show still? So I say, I know that in the comment section also, because you know some people are going to say, no sir, them know in the stage show thing. Because I post the video with Spice, a performer, Jersey, and that people are say, like, seriously, you know what I mean? I'm not going away and Ray. And also you have people who just don't care and not really, you know what I mean, not that cautious about the situation, so them are forward. You see me? So let me know in the comment section if you would go to a show right now or not. You see me? And not just Shenseea, I'm talking about in general. This is not nothing to do with Shenseea. I'm talking overall. You see me? Now people, let's talk about DAngel. So you must see this video. At least the story, when you must hear about it, right? So the other day, you know, Beenieman did an interview with Teach Them, and that's on Teach Them channel, right? And Teach Them asked him the question about, you know, DAngel doing the OnlyFans thing, and the picture them leak, and Beenieman kind of respond and I say, well, him talk to DAngel about it, and, you know, he must say, a bad choice basically pan DAngel part. So DAngel reply to it, right? But anyway, I'm going to tell you what DAngel say. Let's hear DAngel little song where DAngel sing.
My name still prevail. I'm in the book of greatness. from scratch again. Start from scratch again. Climb that ladder, girl. It's gonna happen. Just start from scratch again.
No, Angel do for her thing already. You see what I say? So she does a draw a tune and say she start from scratch again. However, you did hear she mention say she in the book of greatness. So that definitely say she tell us say watch her, no matter what you say. You see what I say? Or what people say. Because she know people attack. Obviously she hear them thing. You see me? And she see the interview and you what Beanie say. To be honest with your people, you don't have to go watch the interview with yourself. But to be honest with you, I don't think Beanie say nothing like terrible bad, you know what I mean? Him just say him disagree with what Angel do because, you know what I mean, him talk to Angel, him say him call Angel and Angel says she have to do what she have to do, and right now that is like I make money, and a lot of people, I mean only fans that make money, you know, as Jamaican do, people not too and a first choice for them, but you know, she has say even Cardi B and them people they use it. However, though, you know, Cardi B only go live for OnlyFans from what I understand. Cardi B no really share no kind of pictures or nothing like that. And it's unfortunate that DAngel picture leak. Anyway, DAngel said that she had a sit down and talk to her son Marco Dean when the picture leaked. She said she make sure deal with it first before anybody else tell him or him go hear it at school or nowhere. You see what I mean? I say, so big her up for that, right? Also, she said she not tell we how much money she make a month time, but she can buy a house. And also she say she not tell you the subscriber count. I guess she want you to come over there, come see it. So if you want to see our OnlyFans, join DAngel OnlyFans and see what go on over there. So you see me. But let me know what you think, people. You saw me, I say I'm going to put the link to the video them so you can check them out and you can form your own opinion about this. But in my opinion, you know them thing you got people, somebody have to be the first for, you know what I mean, take the blame. Because obviously other are do it too, but you know, Angel, the focus does depend on Angel because of what happened. Unfortunately with the photos, and you know, it's the interview and all that. So other people do it sooner or later, you know, a whole heap more people are going to do it. It's just like anything else. Remember one time gone, you know, a whole heap of thing never did I do, and people did frown up on them, and then them just become the norm till all people just start glorify and celebrate them. And when you can read between the lines, I don't have to really say what it is here, right? But you know, understand what I say. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section. I will leave the links so you can check out the Beenieman interview on Teach Them channel, and also, you know what I mean, Mota Masi did a video and she covered what Angel reply, so you can get a detailed understanding of what she said to the star, right? So that brings us to the end of today's video, people. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Thank you for liking, sharing, and commenting, right? So have a wonderful day, night, or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Big up on yourself. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina! Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi!